want your brand to stand out, don't be boring. Today's biggest brands like Wendy's or Nike or Apple have larger-than-life personalities and customers eat it up. Unlike boring press releases and corporate brochures, you want your brand to have a personality online. But here's the thing. Brands aren't human and require some personality crafting in order to come alive, so to speak. My name's Stephanie and I'm one of the co-founders at Phlywheel, a DIY marketing community. We created the Who the Deck Are You brand personality cards to help you and your team understand how your brand should sound. We looked at tons of popular brand personality exercises out there, and honestly, we were disappointed by how vague they were. When it comes to personality, corporate buzzwords like integrity and transparency aren't gonna cut it. What's your sense of humor? How do you sound when responding to a customer? And what tone do you use on social media? Our brand personality card deck is a great tool for workshops with clients and in-house marketing teams. It also provides an easy-to-use framework for your brand, which makes collaboration between departments a breeze. Our character cards are separated into two colors. Blue cards are safe, and yellow cards are provocative. Try to think of safe and provocative traits as yin and yang, rather than good and bad. You need a balance of both. Hint, it's usually the provocative cards that give your brand pizzazz. Once you've chosen the character traits that best define your brand, discuss and come up with some examples. Next, you'll choose your tone, that's the pink cards, which determine how you'll sound in different scenarios. Lastly, every brand needs a sense of humor, even the most formal brand. So you'll want to choose your brand's main type of humor and give examples here too. At the end, you'll have a group of cards, your character traits, tone, and sense of humor that represent your brand's whole personality. Each deck contains 330 cards with traits, definitions, and examples to help you craft your brand's personality, one set of instructions, one card box to protect your deck, and guidelines to help you put your ideas into action. Whether you're an entrepreneur launching a new business or a marketing lead in charge of your company's brand voice, our brand personality cards are designed to help you eliminate guesswork and connect with your audience.